Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.